Hey, to change network access for apps on the Galaxy A35 5G, all you have to do is just to go to the settings. Now from this, move to the connections. And from this, you have to move into the data usage. Right now, you have to move into the allowed networks for apps. So from here, you can actually switch if the specific application can use mobile data, Wi-Fi, or both of the networks. So let's say that I want to use only mobile network for my Google Chrome, so I can switch for the mobile data only. And for example, I want to get Facebook only for the Wi-Fi. And you can actually manage it for every application that you have. When you click on the three dots in the right upper corner, you can also refresh app list if, for example, some applications doesn't appears right here. So yeah, that's all for this video. All right, now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.